What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. PEPE Coin is dumping right now. Is it time to be concerned? Should we be freaking the hell out? Or is this just a big opportunity to accumulate more PEPE? Or is this just a small dip before we start to rip again? We're going to dive into it in this video, guys. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe down below. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping back by the channel. PEPE is obviously the most talked about meme coin in all of crypto right now. And it burst on the scene literally about 5 weeks ago. And if you've been hiding under a rock, PEPE Coin went over a $1.5 billion market cap seemingly out of nowhere. Where did this capital come from? Well, I think a lot of the capital came from inside the current cryptocurrency market. And I think, you know, personally, there have been a ton of people in NFTs that have been kind of just bored. A lot of people in crypto that are, you know, heavy Bitcoin, Ethereum maxis and just kind of heavy altcoin maxis, they're bored. I think a lot more people are jumping into the meme coin craze in 2023 from the cryptocurrency scene than those who did in 2021. Now, talking about the current price action, we are down about 12%. We are seeing some big sell-offs right now. Now, here's some good news. We are getting to oversold levels a little bit on the RSI. Bad news is we've been on a little bit of a downtrend for a while now. Of course, setting our all-time high with PEPE was, you know, just a couple weeks ago on the heels of the Binance news. Now, I will say this. This move right here was a big one. If we go all the way back over here, this move right here was a really big move. We came all the way down to the 11 range. Right now, we're trading at the 14 range, but you can see just underneath my box, we came down to the 10 range, actually, and then we started to retrace back up and got back into the 2s. That's the 502 level, all right, 5020. Right now, we're at the 50139, 5014. That was big. But as soon as we topped out up here, we started to slowly dwindle, right? And you can see here, we're kind of moving right with the 20-day moving average. That's our 20-day moving average. We don't have a ton of data yet. That's the other thing, all right? Then we had the huge breakout on Saturday. Saturday, we had a huge momentum up, huge green hourly candle here that saw us go all the way back up to those 2s, where we met resistance again, like we did back here, and we retraced back down. And if history repeats itself here, as you can see here, we're breaking the trend here. We're trading well below the 20-day moving average. If history repeats itself, we could have some further downside here on the charts, meaning we could go back down to that 11 range, and then we'll see where we go from there. As you guys notice, when we did get back down to this 11 range before, we got way oversold on the RSI. That's this line down here. Anytime that goes below 20, we're well oversold, and then we started to see the buyers come in. Now, if PEPE wants to continue on its upward trajectory, we cannot break down past that 10 range. We cannot give that 0 back. We do not want to see us give that 0 back. Right now, we're okay. And maybe we even get some buyers coming in here. Now, if we zoom in on the time frame a little bit, let's go into the 5-minute here. You can see we are starting to flatline a little bit. This is the 5-minute time frame. So we had the big wick down. Okay, this is a 5-minute wick. This was our wick that kind of took us down heavy out of our range because we were just trading sideways. Things were okay. And then we had a big sell-off. One of the big whales, I'm assuming, sold off. We got oversold on the RSI. Quickly, buyers came in. And you could see we're slowly coming back up now. We go to the 3-minute, you could see it even more, right? We go into the 1-minute, you could see it even more. That buyers have come in since these last big sells. So it was really 2 or 3 minutes of sell-offs. That's what really caused this right here. These are minute candles. All right, since then, slowly been climbing back up. We're trying to reclaim where we were. If we can get back up there and trend sideways, no harm, no foul. We continue to move on, right? So I'm not freaking out yet by any means. There was a dump. There's no question about that. But I don't think it was anything, to worry about just yet. We'll be keeping tabs on this, though. Here's the good thing. We're seeing heavy trade volume still. You know, there was a 2-day stretch where PEPE Coin had more trading volume than Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. There were even days where PEPE Coin had more trading volume than SHIB and Doge combined, which is massive. Absolutely insane. It is absolutely crazy to see what's happened here. I put a tweet out there not too long ago, I think today, and it was right here. Could you imagine if, let me go back out so you can see that a little bit. There it is. What Pepe done is remarkable, I said. Imagine if the retail money that was in here in 2021 was here in 2023, right? Could you imagine if the retail money was here like it was then? Because again, I think a lot of this is just resurfaced, money, not newfound money, right? So pretty interesting. We'll be keeping tabs on everything Pepe, guys. We've got you covered here, but on the 1 minute look, I know we're zoomed in quite a bit here, but it looks like we're recovering here at the time of this recording, and we'll continue to track it from here on out. Make sure you guys are locked into the channel by subscribing down below. Smash the like button for us. That always helps us out. Push us up in the old YouTube algorithm. Love you guys. I'm out.